I had a gold scar. I am really cool. Playing Fortnite in my school. You know that I'm getting cash. Call me cool. You know that getting money is the least of my problems, cause I do that every day. You make at least 100K a day. You know that me and Lil Levo are the best friends. Me and Lil Levo we gonna do everything together because we are cool. Me and Little Equa are alright. Yeah. Getting all the cash like I was Uncle Mikey. Getting all the hoes like I was Uncle Mikey. Uncle Mikey's kinda like the coolest guy I know. Uncle Mikey, he's got every hoe. Me and Lil Levo gonna go to the store though. Me and Lil Levo gonna pick some bacon though. Me and Lil Levo gonna cook the bacon though. Me and Lil Levo, we're gonna use the calculator like the masturbator. Lil Levo's most used app on his phone is his calculator because he's a nerd. Lil Olivo is a worm. Lil Olivo is a germ. Lil Olivo is a derm. Lil Olivo, I'm just kidding about that. Lil Olivo, you are the coolest cat. Lil Olivo, you are the nicest guy I know. Lil Olivo, you had every hope after Uncle Mikey though.